Hello dear students, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. In this session guys, I'll be taking a mini mock test of few technical subjects as you have seen in the thumbnail plus the allied subjects for the ISRO. Of course the ISRO examination is on 17th of December. I hope your preparation is going well. Okay. Guys, audio video fine na bhai? Yes, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Now going forward guys, as you can see on the comment box, the total number of questions that I'll be taking here will be 26, and out of 26 questions that will be technical plus allied. If you are able to solve 18 questions, that means your preparation is on the right direction. Guys, many times I have told you about the pattern of the ISRO examination for civil. Guys, the pattern for civil and electrical is different from other branches, different from mechanical, computer science and electronics, because here allied subject is also there. Okay, so total guys, the paper will be in two parts, part A and part B. Part A will be of 80 marks, part B will be of 20 marks. Okay, in part A guys, 60 marks will be technical, okay, and 20 marks will be allied. Allied has never been asked in ISRO till now. Okay, 20 marks will be from allied, and here 20 marks will be from aptitude and reasoning. Let me tell you guys, the total number of questions will not be 100. The total number of questions will be 95 questions guys. 95 questions, 100 minutes. Okay, so here it will be 80 questions. Okay, 60 questions in technical and 20 questions in allied. Every question is of 1 marks, but here it will be 15 questions. 15 questions will be of 20 marks. So 80 plus 15 is 95 questions. Allied has never been asked in ISRO, so nobody knows exactly what they are going to ask. But what we can interfere from the allied is the topics which are related to civil, like earthquake engineering, like GIS, remote sensing. Okay, all these things which are related to civil engineering can be considered as allied, and of course, according to that, I have taken the session, I have put the question in this test. This is about me guys. Most of you already know me. My name is Abhinav Negi, having 11 plus years of teaching experience. If I have done from NIT, Delhi, 164 rank, that doesn't matter. What I am teaching, are you getting that? That is much more important than all these things. Guys, the great practice course is going to release soon. Okay, from 4th of December, we are starting, where for each and every subject of civil, we are going with the crash course through questions. Okay, in this channel only. Guys, these are the results. I hope you have seen the mock interviews, their guided sessions, and guys, no need to follow any topper. Guys, you can take an inspiration because everybody has its own strategy. Okay, so no need to follow guys. You can inspire from them and you can adopt their strategies and mold it in your own way to make the better results. Now guys, this is the workshop guys, the complete roadmap to be a topper in GATE 2025. This will be on 6th of December, that is Wednesday, just after 3 days guys. It will be on Wednesday on app. This is a free workshop guys with a limited seat, and this will be at 7:30 p.m. with limited seats guys. The description box, in the description guys, you will be getting the link to register. You can register there guys. The link will be available in the Telegram also. Wednesday 7:30 p.m. the free workshop with limited seats. Okay, and guys, on 3rd of December, that is today, you will be having a scholarship test and you can attempt and get up to 90% discount. 3rd December, this will also be free of cost. Now guys, every session of mine, either this or any other session, once you see in the description box, there will be a link like this. There will be a link, Abhinav Negi, and some blue color link. If you want to download our app, you can click here and get the ISRO BYJU'S free of cost, the notes free of cost with this link guys. Okay, so you can click that link in not only this thumbnail but every thumbnail, every session of mine in the description box. You will be getting this. Okay, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir, and guys, this is total number of questions I'll be taking today is 26, and out of 26 questions guys, if you are able to solve 18 questions, then your preparation is on the right direction. Everybody on the comment section, give me, come on, a thumbs up, yes or no. Ready guys? Ready, tell me, everyone. Everyone is ready? Shall we start then? Please share the session so that more and more commandos can join. Okay. Okay. So try to. Hi Arun, how is your MTech? Arun, please share the session so that more and more commandos can join in. How is your MTech going on? And guys, try to hit 18 questions. Okay, let's go with the first question. Okay, guys, one or more disclaimer. Every question will be new. Will be that never taken before. Never taken before by me, except couple of questions of allied. Okay, every question in this session will be new that I have never ever taken in paid course, never ever taken in app, never ever taken in YouTube. Okay, except 3 or 4 allied questions. Okay, let's begin, guys. This is the first question. Everyone, please share the session so that more and more students can join in. Come on! Guys, the specimen in a Charpy impact test is supported as a, okay, how it is supported. There is the specimen with the notch present here. This is the notch. Okay. This is the specimen. And in this specimen, guys, from here you are providing an impact load. Impact load. How this specimen is supported. How this specimen is supported, that you have to write. Okay, here are the supports. Okay, and these supports are like that. It is simply supported test, and here it is impact loading to check the toughness. To check the toughness. Okay, here is a notch present. Ready? Got it, guys? Everyone? जल्दी बता दो भाई. कोई दिक्कत? चले? 26 question, guys. Hi Yogesh, how are you? Hi Bhumika. Everyone fine? Out of 26 questions, try to hit 18 questions. Let us move now to the next question. Question number 2. If P is the tensile stress in a rectangular bar of length L, width B and thickness D, the volumetric strain is given by. Now let me tell you guys, this is a rectangular bar. Okay, here the length is L, this is B and this is D. And the tensile stress here is P. P is not load. It is not load. It is stress. Okay, it is already stress given, sigma. Of course, here also the P load is coming. Now volumetric strain is asked. I hope you all can do this. P is not load, guys. No, please check of notation. Yogesh, please check of notation. Every question I'll be taking today, I have never ever taken before on YouTube. I have never ever taken on YouTube. Why I'm doing this? So that the students who are joining me again and again on YouTube, so the students who are joining me again and again on YouTube can get new questions. Okay, it is not like that the same face is coming with the same question. I'm admitting that out of 26 questions, 22 questions I have never ever taken. Yes, a couple of allied questions are repeated. That I'm accepting. Guys. Okay, and for civil students, guys, your paper is not clashing. BEL and ISRO is clashing on 17th of December. Your seat, you have no seats in BL, so your paper is not clashing. Try to concentrate on your studies. Hi, Rotela sir, how are you? Okay, so guys, volumetric strain is equal to epsilon x plus epsilon y plus epsilon z. Suppose let me take this as x direction. Let me take this x direction, this is y and that is z direction. That is coming out of your screen. So like this. Okay, now epsilon x is stress in x direction by Young's modulus. What is epsilon y? Epsilon y from Poisson effect will be minus mu epsilon x. It will be minus mu p by e. and same will be epsilon z minus mu epsilon x is equal to minus mu p by e. So if I put here, it will be p by e minus mu p by e minus mu p by e. So from here p by e common 1 minus 2 mu. P by e common 1 minus 2 mu, that is D option, guys. That is D option. Now guys, I was having a function at my home. So guys, everything is the Atechi suitcase, everything is here. Let me keep it here. Okay, have you got it, guys? Keep sharing the session so that more and more students can join in. If you got it, guys, please put a heart sign in the comment section. Okay, so let's move to question number 3 then, guys. Come on. With a percentage increase in carbon in steel, decrease in. Now for this, guys, I can directly tell the answer, but let me tell you a brief knowledge about this. Okay, so guys, let me tell you about the type of iron. Guys, whatever I am writing here, you will get a, otherwise this question can be done in 2 seconds, but whatever I am writing here, from that 10 questions more you can solve. Type of iron and carbon percentage. This I am writing, please check. One is wrought iron. It is the purest form of iron. It is the purest form of iron with least percentage of carbon. Then mild steel. Okay, then after mild steel it is cast iron. I am seeing the copy because I am very poor. I am very poor in remembering the datas. Okay, and I have no shame of writing from here because I am not here to remember the data. I can get the concepts, I can know the concepts, but not the data. So it is wrought iron is having less than 0.8%, in fact 0.08%. It is less than 0.3%. Here it is 2 to 5%. In cast iron and pig iron, guys, it is 4%. Guys, these kind of questions have been asked in ISRO. The percentage of carbon. Okay, I hope you are knowing this first time. Now, with a percentage increase in carbon, what happens? The ductility decreases. Okay, and ultimate strength, sigma u, ultimate strength increases, and also the corrosion resistance also decreases. Okay, with percentage decrease in ductility will be the correct answer. Let me show you the graph. If I tell you the stress and strain graph, then stress and strain graph, let me first draw for wrought iron. Let me first draw the stress strain graph for the wrought iron with least number of carbon percentage. It will be something like, or even in the carbon percentage like this, it will be like this. Then when the carbon percent increases, cast iron, it will be like this. See, ductility decreases. It is failing with large strain, it is failing with less strain. But yes, it can take more stress. This green one is for cast iron, it can take more stress. So ultimate strength increases, but ductility decreases. Here it is more ductile. Now if I make for pig iron, it will again, it can take more stress. It can initial slope, it can take more stress. Ultimate stress is increasing, but ductility further decreases. Guys, now with guys, this question I can directly solve like this and go to the next question, question number 4. But with this data, I am quite sure that 10 more questions related to this concept you can solve. And write one more thing, guys, with percentage increase in carbon, the corrosion resistance also decreases. Okay, so ductility decreases. Pig, if I make in decreasing ductility order, decreasing ductility, okay, then most ductile will be wrought iron. Wrought iron will be most ductile. Then mild steel, also sometimes Fe250. Cast iron, then pig iron. Guys, put a heart sign on the comment box if you understood this concept. Please put a heart sign on the comment box if you got this concept. Come on. Okay. Let me move further. Guys, I'm again saying, out of 26 questions today, if you are solving 18 questions, then your preparation for ISRO is going in the right direction. Do this. Come on. Question number 4. Question number 4, guys. Pooja, hi Pooja, welcome. Pooja always helps me with all the updates that I want, because sometimes as a student I don't get the notification of HPCL or ISRO. Na. Thank you, thanks a lot, Pooja. Now this is also a nice question. This is not, see, this is a composite assembly. Composite, what is the difference between composite and fixed? What is the difference between composite and fixed? Can you tell me? Many times I have told you. Both are equal length. This is bronze medal. This is copper. What is the difference between fixed and composite? Can you tell me? What is the difference between fixed? In fixed means delta is equal to 0. Okay, and in composite means the delta can be there. It is not a rigid support. Delta is equal to same. Many times I told you this. Got it? Got it, guys? Okay. Now, guys, AB and AC are the cross-section areas. Sigma and sigma C are the respective stress due to the load P. So some load is applied here, P, and some load is applied here, P. Out of this P, some load is going in the bronze, PB. Some is in copper. So of course P is equal to PB plus PC. P is equal to PB plus PC. If I apply P load here in 2 fingers, if I applied P load in 2 fingers, if I apply P load in 2 fingers, okay, so here load is going P1, here load is going P2. If I am total applying P load, here it is going P1, here it is going P2. Then if I apply total P load, then P1 plus P2 is equal to P. P1 plus P2 is equal to P. Yes or no? Yes. Now guys, this is correct. And since it is composite, so delta has to be same. Delta means strain has to be same for equivalence. So sigma B by Young's modulus of B is equal to sigma C by Young's modulus of C, because strain has to be same. So this is also same. Now what is PB? If I take this here, what is PB? Stress in bronze into area bronze. What is PC? Stress in copper, PAB into stress in copper into this. Stress in copper into area in copper. So D is the correct answer. Answer will be D. It is not MSQ na. It is not MSQ na. Have you got it? Tell me. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Question number 5. Yes. Let me check that who can do this. Let me check who can do this, guys. Come on, up vampire. Come on. Chalo. Four do. Hit it. Guys, here the word is modular ratio. That means whenever there is a term modular ratio, that means it is talking of working stress method. Because in limit state method there is no modular ratio. Okay. Now, this is suppose concrete section. This is suppose XA. Here is steel. Here it is D. Now, once I make the stress diagram, then the permissible stress case if I draw, then 50 and 1400. Here it is 15 compression and here it is 1400. Okay. Of course, this is XA and this is D minus XA. Correct? What they are asking, the percentage of steel required for economic section. What is economic section? What is economic section? Economic section means when both the stresses are reaching to their permissible value at the same instant, that is balanced section. Because underenforced is not an economical section, because there you are providing more amount of concrete. Overenforced is not a economical section, more amount of steel you are providing. Balanced section is economical section because there the percent carbon and steel and concrete both are reaching to their permissible value. We are taking the maximum utilization of materials. So from here, if I apply the similar triangle concept, then d minus xa upon xa, d minus xa, it is sigma stress will be sigma st by m. Okay, and here there the stress will be sigma cbc. Correct? Correct? Give me yes or no. Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt to anyone? Okay. Now from here moving further, d value is given. D value is given, no. D minus xa by xa is equal to 1400 by 18 upon 50. Correct? Correct? From here the value of xa is equal to 0.39 d. From here the xa is equal to 0.39 into d. Now taking the moment, what is this area? B into xa can be assumed at center of mass. So from neutral axis the distance is xa by 2. This distance is xa by 2. And from bottom it is mast into d minus xa. Correct? Correct? What you want? What is our answer requirement? Percentage of steel, na? So percentage of steel is equal to ast upon that cross section, that is b into d into 100. This I want. Tell me, this I want. If here, if I put 3b into xa is 0.39 d into 0.39 d by 2. Let me remove this into, it is looking like x. B into 0.39 into 0.39 by 2 is equal to m. M is 18. AST d minus 0.39 d. From here you can simplify in this way, putting BD downwards. So this you will be getting 0.693%. Excellent question, guys. Excellent question. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no, guys. Come on. Please ask your doubts here if you are having any. Please ask your doubts if you are having any doubt. Tell me. Pen bhi gir gaya. Chalo. Moving further. Guys, 18 out of 26 questions you have to put it correct. 26 questions in this session. And out of 26 questions you have to put 18 correct. And in description box, guys, there is a link as I shown you earlier, na? In the description box there is a link where you can download the ISRO paper free of cost. Okay, this description box of every video, there is a blue color link where you can download the app for free of cost, which includes the notes and BYJU'S of ISRO and GATE. Now this question, guys, in the neutral axis of a T-beam, this is a T-beam. Okay, the modular ratio, we have to neglect the web width. Here is the steel. Here is AST, which they are written as AT. Now, the total depth is D, effective depth. And here somewhere is the neutral axis. Okay, here is somewhere the neutral axis. Now, the neutral axis, they are given as n distance. This distance they are given as n. And this distance they are given as ds. This was given. Come on, what you have to find out? So effective depth is d, thickness of the slab is ds, flange width is b. Okay. And the neutral axis, the depth of neutral axis is n. And the modular ratio may be stated as, in the neutral axis of TB, if the neutral axis of TB is slab, the relation between, relation you have to find out. Come on. Come on. Guys, if you find the moment of area, because modular ratio is given, na? So we'll do find the moment of area. So B into ds, that area. B into ds is that area. And the moment, this will look like x here, it is actually into. B into ds into the distance is n. And this whole area can be assumed here. This whole area can be assumed here n minus ds by 2, b into ds into n minus ds by 2. Okay, this is the moment of area from the compression part. Of course, this is also area, but that is neglected na. Okay, neglect the web width. So this area is b into ds and is at n minus ds by 2. And from bottom, it is area is m into at. Actually, the area is 80, but we make homogeneous section na, so we make it m into 80 concrete. Okay, the AT steel or AST steel is equivalent to m into AST concrete. Okay, and the distance from there is d minus n. Okay, this is the equation. So the option will be C. Got it? Got it? Everyone, tell me please. Have you understood? Everyone? Okay. Now 7th. Chalo. The depth of neutral axis is find out. Come on, come on, come on. This is the same concept you have to apply. This is the same concept you have to apply, guys. Come on. Again the similar triangle. Again the similar triangle. I'm quite sure you can do this. The stress developed in concrete and steel in reinforced concrete beam is 62.5 in one side and 250 here. Okay, so sigma st by m actually. It should be 250 by 15 when it is homogeneous. The depth of the neutral axis is, the total depth is given, beam width and effective 70 centimeter effective width. This is xa and this is 70 minus xa. So 62.5 upon 250 by 15 is equal to xa minus 70 minus xa. Please tell me the value of xa. Please tell me the value. Is it 55 point? Is it 55 point something, 0.6? None of these. And guys, ISRO guys, when I'm seeing the PYQ couple of times, in fact, more than 3-4 times I've seen that the answer is none of these also. Usually, aspirant, when I was also aspirant, I think that the competition exam will not be giving answer as none of these. But in ISRO, I have found it many times that the answer is none of these also. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Tell me. Shall we move further to which is the next question? Question number 8. Chalo. The loss of pre-stress. Chalo, 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 batao. Come on. Question number 8. The loss of pre-stress due to shrinkage of concrete is modulus of elasticity into the strain. Okay, of concrete, strain of concrete. Now 1 cubic meter of steel weights. Do you know this? What is the density of steel? What is the density of RCC? You know, 25 kilonewton per meter cube. What is the density of steel? Tell me. It is 7850 or 56 something kg per meter cube. So gamma is equal to weight by volume. So volume is 1. Okay, cubic meter. V is equal to 1 meter cube. So gamma is equal to W. So this is the answer. One more formula that usually you will not be getting these kind of formulas in GATE, but in SSCJ exam it is used. That gamma is equal to D square diameter of steel upon 162.28 kg per meter. This is also not a derivable formula, but it is an approximate formula for finding out the density. Okay. Question number 10. Chalo. Hit it. Hit it, guys. Which of the following statement is correct about rocks and minerals? Which is correct about rocks and minerals? Guys, shale is not a metamorphic rock. Shale is a sedimentary rock. Shale is a sedimentary rock. Okay. Which of the following statement is correct about rocks and minerals? Come on, come on, come on. Quartz and mica are only minerals we are having in the rocks. Okay. Question, okay, 18 out of 26, you know, yaar. The percentage of alumina in good brick. Come on. Guys, a good brick should be having, please see here, silica 50 to 60%, not more than 60, not less than 50. Alumina 20 to 30%. Okay. Then after that, what is this? Lime. Lime should, guys, I am very poor in remembering the data, na? You have to remember, not I. Ferric oxide 5 to 6%. Ferric oxide 5 to 6%. Okay, magnesia should be less than 1%. Magnesia should be less than 1%, and CO2, SO3, H2O should be negligible, very less. Okay, I'm not saying nil, but very less. Okay, so guys, of course I can do the answer like this, na? But I don't know the ISRO will be asking the question for silica. If they are asking the question of the components of a good brick, they can ask this, 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 they can ask this. But in most of the examinations, the questions are asked from either silica, alumina, or at max the maximum value of lime, that is 3%. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Okay. Now guys, as you know, there is a standard Proctor test, then a heavy standard Proctor test. Indian standard light compaction test, Indian standard heavy. Okay. So these values have to be remembered, and if I say that the gate asks very less database question, na, but from this data, gate has also asked the question. Okay, so it is 2.60 and 310 mm for the standard light compaction test. This one, this you have never said. What is bulking? What is bulking in terms of numeric? Of course, the concept you might be knowing. What is that? Do you know? Do you know what is bulking? Please tell me. It is the total length of the cylinder minus the length when fully inundated, when that is fully put with the water. So the depth was 15. After putting the water, it is 12 upon the total length 15. So this is 3 by 15. 1 by 5. It is 0.2. Okay. So it is 3 by 12. Sorry. This is 15 by 12. 3 by 12. It is 0.25. Okay. Next, move to question number 14. In the falling head permeability test, in the duration of 3 hours, the initial head is 1000 mm is dropped to 350 mm. The diameter of the stand pipe, that narrow pipe, is 0.5 centimeter. The length and diameter of the soil specimen are 20 and 10. This is 20 and this is 10. And this is 0.5. And the water falls 1000 mm, from 1000 mm it falls to 350 mm within 3 hours. Within 3 hours it is falling there. Okay, what is the coefficient of permeability? The simple formula you have to apply. Okay, K is equal to 2.303 A is pi by 4 into 0.5 square. Okay, the area of the stand pipe. A into L is 20 upon area, capital area, pi by 4 into 10 square. Okay, into T, that is 3 hours, into log, it is 2.303, so we have to apply log H1 by H2. H1, that is 1000 by H2. What is the answer coming? Please check. Is it 4.86 into 10 to the power 5 minus 5 mm per second? Please check and confirm. Hadvita, Pooja, Arun, please check and confirm. Is it coming so? Is it coming that Please tell me. Please tell me. Everyone. Is it coming that? Okay, you can check on. Now let's move to question number 15. What is the pore water the Scampton coefficient B? It is the change in pore water pressure with the change in the cell pressure. So what is the change in pore water pressure? 0.07 to 0.15. So change is 0.15 minus 0.07. And this is 0.26. Cell pressure is changing from here to here. Okay. So it is 0.08 upon 0.16. It is 0.5. What is B for dry soil? Can you tell me? What is B for fully saturated soil? What is B for partially saturated soil? Logical. Guys, B for dry soil. B is change in pore water pressure with change in cell pressure. So in dry soil there is no pore water, na? Numerator, there is no pore water pressure, dry, no water. In saturated soil, if nothing is given, whatever the load we apply to the soil, you have listened many times, whatever the load we apply in the soil, that load is transferred to the water. Whatever the change you are doing here, that is transferred to the water initially. So it will be 1, it is 0 to 1. Have you got it? Have you got it? Charger is gone. Laptop का charger गया भाई. Laptop का charger गया. Okay. चलो. समझ गए? आगे चले. Out of 26 questions, guys, try to hit 18 questions. Out of 26 questions, try to hit 18 questions. The absolute minimum radius of curve, guys. From here, this is a road. This is a road we are designing on paper. We have not made this road. And from here, there is a sharp turn. From this V, there is a sharp turn. This we are designing on the paper. We have not made it. Now, to avoid this sharp turn, we make a curve. But curve can be this, curve can be this, curve can be made from here. Now, any of these three curves can be made. Okay. Now, E plus mu is equal to V square by GR. This we have derived. So, R is equal to V square G E plus mu. For R ruling minimum radius, minimum, V should be minimum square, G, E should be maximum, plus mu should be maximum. What is the E maximum? 0.07. What is mu lateral friction? 0.15. And V should be 110 km per hour in meter per second into 5 by 18. This should be the minimum radius. Okay, so from here, what is the answer you are getting? Please tell me on the comment box. Please tell me on the comment box. Please tell me on the comment box, guys. Come on. And guys, Wednesday is the workshop, the free workshop with limited seats, 7:30 p.m. on app, free of cost. Okay, B, good. Who has told this B option? Advita. Guys, can you, oh, Pooja also good. Guys, can you please write down your city on the comment box? I want to see that from which part of the country the students are watching me live now. Also, the many people will watch and record it. Can you please write down the city? And let me tell you guys that today is 3rd of December. Na? Up to 4th of December, you can change your ISRO examination center, whatever you have applied in the form. Of course, the admit card are not given, but not came, but you can change your examination center that you have filled. That depends, na. Dev, that depends. You are putting V in meter per second or kilometer per hour. Okay, what about others? What about others? From which part of the country you are watching me right now? Karnataka from Pooja. Karnataka which place? They from Agartala. How is everything? How is everything in Tripura? Mysore. Mysore Zoo I have went yaar. Bhumika Parmesh, Mysore Zoo I have went. Advita from Kerala. Kerala which part? The heaven on the earth. Mandya. Where is Acha Mandya in Karnataka? Okay. Let's move further. Okay. Guys. Single lane road. What is the width of single lane? What is the width of single lane? 3.75 meter. For multi lanes it is 3.5 meter per lane. For 2 lane it is 7. For 4 lane it is 14. But for single it is 3.75. And guys, what is the width of car? Width of Wagner, width of Swift. It is around 2-3 meters. It is also same. So in one lane only one vehicle will be coming. In one lane approximately one vehicle will be coming. Now what is the stopping distance? It will also stop and it will also stop. So the minimum distance should be 2 SSD. The clearance distance when a one vehicle should see the other vehicle should be 2 SSD because both has to stop. SSD will be distance taken by this vehicle, SSD by taken by this vehicle. So minimum distance between these two vehicles it should be 2 SSD. Correct? Good. Arun. Okay, Dev. Kamakhya Mandir में मेरे नमस्कार कहना. I have also been to Guwahati 1, 2, 3 times. Kamakhya Mandir and of course the final destination was Cherrapunji, Mawsynram, Meghalaya. Paltan Bazaar. Okay, so this should be 2 SSD. So V into T, if you are putting in SI units, 2 mu G. This formula is for, I am not using 0.278 because I am using in SI units. So this into 5 by 18 into 2.5 plus V square by 2 mu G. Okay, so of course the mu is not given, so you can take point for this speed it is around 0.36. So you can put that. What is the answer coming? This. Okay. Now guys, in the description box there is a link where you can download the PYQs of ISRO. Okay, from this link you can download the app where you will get the PYQs of ISRO and everything. Guys, when 4 bearing is given, this, what is the back bearing? The difference is 180 na? So minus 180. So minus 180 will be 144 degree 45 minutes. Like this. Okay, this one. Question number 19. Out of 26 questions, if you are solving 18 questions, your preparation is in the right direction, guys. Up to 4th of December, you solve this. Let me write. Up to 4th December, you can change your ISRO exam center. ये हिल क्यों रहा है यार इतना? Why it is so much of what? चलो चलो भाई लोग चलो. Now let me make this in simple ways. Here it is a pin support. Here is a pin support. This is B. This is A. Let this be RA. Let this be RB. Here it is 20. This is 100. This is 100. So summation of movement about B is equal to 0. When summation of movement about B is equal to 0, so 20 into 200 plus RA into 100 is equal to 0. So RA from there will be 20 into 200. RA will be from here 20 into 200 by 100. 20 into 200 by 100. So it is 40 minus 40. Minus means downward. So 40 kilonewton downward. What will be RB? If this is 40 downward, this is 20 upward, so this should be 20 upward. Correct? Correct? Okay, question number 20. Probability of a 10-year flood to occur at least once in next 4 years. At least once. So either one time. So answer is that from it is coming one time or two time in 4 years or three time or it is coming four time. So we can do it is answer is also 1 minus 0. With all other than this, all is the answer. So 0 time means 10-year flood. 0 time it is coming. Not a single time. So not a single. What is the probability of coming of flood? 1 by 10. And probability of not coming is 9 by 10. So 4 years it is not coming. First year not coming, and second year not coming, and third year not coming, and fourth year not coming. This will be the answer. Whatever is the answer. What is this? A bridge has an expected life of 50 years and is designed for a magnitude of return period 100 years. So flood is coming once, on an average once in 100 years. So probability of flood coming in 1 year, probability of coming is 1 by 100. If in 100 years on an average it is coming one time, then probability of flood coming in 1 year is 1 by 100. Guys, see, in dice the probability of coming 6 is 1 by 6, but that doesn't mean that in 6 time it is coming 1. It in 6 throws it can come 2 times, 0 times, 5 times, 6 out of 6 times also, if you're as lucky as Abhishek Bachchan. Okay, so that depends. This is probability. Similarly, guys, in 100 years it is not like that it will come exactly one time. On an average in 100 years it is coming one time. So in 1 year the probability of coming is 1 by 100, and in 1 year probability of not coming is 99 by 100. Now what they are asking, what is the risk? Risk means probability of flood coming. Okay, so probability of coming, either it is coming one time it is risk, two time it is risk, three time it is risk. So 1 minus probability of flood not coming. Probability of flood not coming, 1 minus probability of not coming, it is risk. So not coming for 50 years. So 99 by 100 it is upon into 50 ki power 50. So this is the probability of not coming. 99 by not coming 1 year, not coming next second year, not coming third year, up to 50 years. This is not coming. So 1 minus not coming is coming. That is risk. That is risk. Okay. Now guys, this take as a homework. This I want answers on the comment section. This one, guys, which of the following is a passive? What is active remote sensing? What is remote sensing? Remote sensing is getting the property of object without touching it. Like in COVID, there is thermal scanner. Without touching, in the office and malls, they put some here, gun, and without touching, they get our temperature. This is a remote sensing. Without touching us, they get our temperatures. So rays are passed to the body or to the object. When the ray source is sun, it is called as passive remote sensing. When we have our own source of rays, it is active remote sensing. So LIDAR is a passive remote sensing, guys. These are questions of a light. Which of the following satellite system provides high resolution optical imagery and is known as sub-meter spatial resolution? That is Landsat. Landsat is one of very high resolution where large number of pixels are used to take the photos. Pixels means dot. More the number of dots, that means more clear will the picture once you zoom it. Like you have seen in earlier days, 3.2 megapixel, 10 megapixel. 10 megapixel means 10 megapixel camera means mega means 10 ki power 6. 10 megapixel means 10 into 10 ki power 6. 3 megapixel means 3 into 10 ki power 6. 3 megapixel camera means that image from that camera will be made of 3 into 10 ki power 6 dots. 10 megapixel camera means the image in that will be from 10 into 10 ki power 6 dots. More the number of dots, more with the zoom, you will get a clear picture. Okay, so Landsat is a high resolution image. Now guys, question number 25, which of the following is not a characteristic of sustainable urban development? If in any city, in any urban cities, there is a high dependency of private vehicles, then that is not a sustainable model. Okay, as urban development strategies, urban development module, for a sustainable model, there should be a fixed ratio of, not a fixed but a range ratio of private to public transport, and in that, more the ratio or dependency in the public vehicle, more sustainable it is. Now last question guys, what does the term gentrification refers to in the context of urban development? Gentrification means the displacement of the lower people, lower income group people. Okay, displacement of those people by the wealthier individuals. So less, reducing the percentage of lower income people and increasing the percentage of high income group. LIG reduce, HIG increase. This is called gentrification. This is called gentrification. Okay, so guys, in the link in every video of mine, there is a blue link. You can click there and get the BYJU'S exam prep app for free. Okay, these are our courses. This is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. This is the great practice course that was starting from, date लिखा था ना कहीं पहले वाले, हाँ 4th of December. Okay, that is starting from 4th of December. Now guys, these are the results, as you have already seen the mock interviews. And guys, this is the free workshop with limited number of seats. It will be on app, limited seats, and this will be at 7:30 p.m. on Wednesday. Okay, so please do register for this workshop, because few first registration, I guess 500 registration, will only be able to see this workshop. Okay, and guys, from 3rd of December you'll be getting the 3rd of December is today, na? So today there is a scholarship test. This will be on app. This is also free on app, and you get up to 90% discounts on our courses. 90, 80, 70, that depends on your score in that scholarship test. Okay, this is the mega mock challenge, guys. Like right now from 30 December, 20. Right now there is no mega mock challenge. It is all from 16 December. Again, full length test series is opening. Right now there is no mega mock challenge. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you all. Take care. For any doubts, please. BML, I don't know yaar, full form. Okay, for any doubts guys, you can put me on the comment section. Thank you guys. Take care. Thank you all.